Let's find a solution for this system of equations by graphing. However, both equations are written in a standard form, and we can graph this two ways. One, find the x-intercept and the y-intercept and connect those 2 points. Or we can rewrite the equations in a y-intercept form. Stay tuned, I will show how to rewrite an equation in a y-intercept form, but for this particular one, I'm gonna find the x-intercept and y-intercept. When we talk about the x-axis, that means it's a point where y is 0 and the line is crossing the x-axis at that specific point. And we talk about y-intercept, that means x is 0 and the line is crossing the y-axis at that specific point. Okay, so let's rewrite our first equation. 2x plus y equals 8. Let's first find our x-intercept, which means that our y will be 0. Okay. 2x plus 0 equals 8. Well, 2x equals 8. Now divide both sides by 2. So our x equals 4. So our x-intercept is 4, in which means y is 0. Let's plot this point right here. So y is 0, x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is our first point on the graph. Let's rewrite that point right over here so you can see. Okay. Now let's find the y-intercept, which means that x will be 0. X plus y equals 8, and let's set the x as 0 and find the y. 2 times 0 plus y equals 8. 2 times 0 is 0, y equals 8. So let's go ahead and write that. So our y-intercept is 8. That means, again, this is a point on the y-axis where the line will cross. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that is our point. Let's connect our points. Let's find the x-intercept and y-intercept for the second equation. So our second equation, x minus y equals 1. So we're going to set y as 0 and find x. So x minus 0 equals 1. So x minus 0 is x. So x will equal 1. So here's our first x-intercept. And let's plot that point. That means x is 1 and y is 0. And let's find the y-intercept. Which will mean that x is 0 and y we'll find out in a minute. All right, so let's set the x0. x0 minus y equals 1. So 0 minus 1 is negative y equals 1. Here, don't stop here because negative y means negative 1 times y. So we have to divide both sides by negative 1. And so our answer will be negative 1. So our y-intercept is negative 1. Let's go ahead and plot that point. So negative 1 is right over here. Let's draw the line. Okay, so this is our second equation graphed, and here's our solution, which will be 0.3, 2. So let's recap. To find the solution for system of equations that are written in a standard form, we can find the x-intercept and y-intercept and graph those points, and then find our solution. Pat on your back, great work today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Teaching Math so you never miss a step-by-step lesson. Remember, learning math takes patience, practice, and perseverance. See you on the next one.